okay, we need to do a bit of decluttering. It's not looking too bad, but I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed in here. Not dreadful, we've seen it worse, but I'm just like, I have paper, I have like craft stuff, cameras, more craft stuff, just need to put it all away. The hot press, every time, this is where like I keep my jacket. Oh, we've been here before, haven't we? But again, we've seen it worse, but I just need to do some maintenance. There's about 50 jackets stuffed to the back of that door. It's now spring. I only need one. Like, no, stop that. And then kitchen. I'm just a bit like, I haven't kind of done my cleaning today, but like little things like the drawers are getting a bit unruly. But again, we've been here before. It's not too bad. And then, ooh, how's the drawer doom looking? Not too bad. And then every time I kind of open a drawer, it's just a bit random looking. It's not as like, you know, I'm not feeling organised, as they say. I'm not feeling organised. But I'm going to have my boiled egg. That's the boiled egg on the hob. And then we will start doing some tidying up, organising, and a bit of satisfying decluttering.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Also, a moment of absolute adorableness. How cute is this? My niece left her little raincoat behind and I'm like, I want this in an adult size. Look how cute it is. Okay, so it's not Pinterest worthy. My fault is no Marie Kondo, but it's much better than what it was. So it was just I had to get rid of that box that was in there. Not very health and safety having a box in there. I put most of the jackets just up in the wardrobe upstairs. I just left a lightweight one, biker jacket, little sleeveless thing, and then 2 bags that I grabbed too. The pink one's handy as a laptop bag. And then up here is bed linens, a couple of blankies and some towels, and then up here they're just 2 garden cushions. They're actually a really old DIY. Some of the OGs might remember them. I also have some rugs for the garden as well, and then that's just a basket of blankies And then snow boots, because I have literally nowhere to put a pair of snow boots. But yeah, it is. I gave it just a little hoover as well, so much better. And nothing's falling out when I close it. And I can just close it over. So for any channel newbies, my office is next to my kitchen, which we have tidied that. It's looking well. But down the line, something I would love to do, and slightly off topic, is I would love to knock this wall down and burst out the back walls. But girl, we ain't doing no renovations. We got to save up pennies. But I do spend time in my office, mostly when it comes to like editing or using my Cricut or using my machines. Otherwise, oh, who's looking for me? Is that Joanne Condon? I think it's Joanne Condon. I probably need to do like a better organisation in here, just because some of my drawers, like the vinyl drawer, is getting a bit out of hand, like a bit hard to open. Like, no. But I think for today, if I can just get what's like out, put away, tidy these up, put this stuff away, what's on my desk, if I can like organise this, put away my bits and just tidy up all of this, I'd be happy. So like random, that's off a DIY. I was making coasters. Like scissors, essential oils, pin cushions. If this could just be tidied. I'm going to give myself half an hour to blitz this, and I think I could make a dent in it. Look at the state of my head. So I'm so glad this isn't a fashion and beauty channel, because I don't know, you wouldn't be coming back. I do look a bit tired today. I don't have much makeup on. I don't really push it on when I'm cleaning the house. That's my organising for this week. I'm at it about 4 hours, but then I did fanny about and I had many cups of tea in between them 4 hours, and a chap is after delivering 2 garden chairs for me. That'll be in the next video. No, it won't, will it? You probably have already seen them because I'll have them in the garden video on Sunday. Channeling my inner Wurzel Gummidge today. So those were just some cluttered hot spots that I probably should more often tackle, and maybe in like a little monthly cleaning, but I tend to put them on the long finger and I don't. But absolutely ew for my spoon drawer being so nasty. Girl, that's something that should be done fortnightly, because what's the point in cleaning spoons if you're going to put them in a dirty drawer? Lesson learned. Anyway, if you would like more satisfying cleaning motivation and a bit of organisation, not Pinterest worthy organisation. I see people's organising videos on YouTube and they got the labels. They put labels on shelves. Nope, I don't do that. I'm not that good. But yeah, I will pop a card to my playlist that has some other cleaning videos, and if you want to even check out the video where it's the hot press one, or airing cupboard as some people call it. Yeah, my decluttering and clutter was really bad a couple of years ago, so maybe if you want to check out some of the older videos, and they're a bit more extreme before and after. That's it for this video. I'm going to have a shower now and sort my head out. And I'll see you in the next video.